Hey Umesh, are you there?
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Yes, Umesh, good morning. So, Umesh, how are you doing?
Fit and fine. I'm fine.
Alright, so what we have done in the previous class?
Previous class
Hmm.
discussed error between the client and developer. Okay. Uh, that time you did as client. I am did as a developer. Discuss
Hmm.
even how will be system scalable as client me. This thing I discussed last class.
Okay, and I ask you to write down what type of work you do and everything in detail so that you can share that. Have you written that one?
No, I not written.
Then how we'll move forward?
Okay. I will do next class everything.
That is given for a purpose, buddy.
Yes, yes,
Because without that, I won't be able to help you out in the clear path what you're targeting.
yes, yes.
Then let's go with the today's session note. Then on that note,
Okay.
so for the session note, which topic we have?
Because same thing we'll discuss now also. Client, payroll, anything. In general talk, if you will agree.
When we had our last class, how many days ago?
Uh, 2 days ago.
Hmm. Okay. And you were targeting about business English, right? Okay. Let's start with upgrading your vocabulary first.
Okay,
I'll
okay,
give you some vocabulary which we are going to discuss for this session. Then
okay,
based on that other role play.
okay.
I hope you're getting the message in the chat box. Please confirm.
Yes, I received vocabulary upgrade.
Topic is going to be talking about scalable application.
Okay,
So in a client meeting, instead of simple answer like you can professionally use some phrases, which are four powerful one.
okay.
First, this one. Our application is highly scalable. Repeat
Yes,
after me.
yes. Our application is highly scalable.
Our application is highly scalable. Our application,
Our application is highly scalable. Our application is highly scalable.
well, our application is highly scalable.
Our application is highly scalable.
With some energy into it, with a smile.
Okay.
Well, our application is highly scalable.
Our application is highly scalable.
Good.
Our application is highly scalable.
Now, second one. The system can handle increased traffic smoothly.
The system handle increased
The system
traffic.
can handle.
The system can handle increased traffic smoothly.
The system
Increase,
can handle
the system can handle increased
increased traffic
traffic
smoothly.
smoothly. The system can handle increased traffic smoothly. The system can handle increased traffic smoothly.
Third, read this one.
We have optimized the backend for high
Optimized. We have
optimize
optimized.
optimize the backend for high performance high performance. We have optimized the backend for high performance. We have optimized the backend high performance. We
We
optimize
have
the
optimized the backend for
backend
high performance.
for high performance.
Read it like this. We have optimized the backend
We
for
have
high performance.
we have optimized the backend for high performance. We have optimized the backend for high performance.
Now let's go the fourth one. Read.
The architecture supports both horizontal and vertical scaling. The architecture supports both horizontal and vertical scaling. The the architecture supports both horizontal and vertical scaling. The the architecture supports the architecture supports both horizontal and vertical scaling.
Okay. Let's suppose if the client asks to you, okay,
Okay.
is it scalable? What will you
Yes,
say?
yes, it is scalable because I used containerization tool.
Where is the phrase which I gave you?
Okay,
मैंने phrase दिया ना यहाँ पर एक, तो पहला phrase जाएगा ना यहाँ पर first वाला.
okay, understood.
Yes, your
Okay,
application is highly scalable because
okay,
I have used over here.
okay, understood.
हम्म. Phrase दिया उसका मतलब vocabulary upgrade कर रहे हैं ना आपकी.
Yes,
Purpose
yes.
होगा उसका. That you
Okay,
to add on.
okay, I will add.
Please try it again.
Our application is highly scalable. All
Yes,
all
yes.
applications.
So first say yes and all, then you can continue with that, no?
Okay, yes, our application is highly scalable,
Why?
but the system can handle increased traffic.
नहीं, why means because I have used XYZ software in that.
Okay. Because
वही आएगा ना?
I use containerization tool. When will increase load, the containerization tool automatically increase based on the traffic.
Okay. What will happen if the number of users suddenly doubles?
Automatically, the containerization tool automatically increase.
Well, our system can handle increased traffic smoothly.
Okay, our system, the system can handle increased traffic smoothly.
How do you make sure the backend performs well under heavy load?
Actually, I worked that application. The architecture supports both horizontal and vertical scaling.
Mhm. We have optimized the backend for high performance.
Okay, okay.
Does your architecture support both horizontal and vertical scaling?
Sorry.
Does your architecture support both horizontal and vertical scaling?
Yes, our system supports both horizontal and vertical scaling.
Yes, the architecture supports.
The architecture means the system is suitable. I think the system supports both horizontal and vertical scaling. Sorry.
Okay, can you give me example how do you made application more scalable in the past project?
Okay, my past projects, my system handles high load requests because of I worked at applications. I used one containerization tool, Kubernetes. The Kubernetes automatically handle auto scaling, auto healing part because the tool internally developed for auto healing, auto scaling. Whenever user or request will increase, the Kubernetes handles automatically increase containerization. Okay. Suppose time of suppose you can I can example one example. Suppose uh, start cricket automatically increase double request double load. The Kubernetes automatically handles resource will be containerization will be double. When you decrease the load, automatically Kubernetes content automatically close the stop the content containerization because of increase the price. Automatically handle auto scaling, auto healing part.
Okay, but now let's go with another topic.
Okay,
Let's do a pronunciation drill
okay,
because you're pronouncing some words incorrectly.
yes,
Let's do a word practice. And have you watched that video for the phonetics which
yes,
I gave
yes.
you?
I shared one video English to Emma. I watched multiple
Which
video.
video? Which
English
sound?
to English to Emma pronunciation.
Which video you have watched?
You shared one
But
YouTube.
which sound you have practiced on that video? There's not just one video. There are around 20 to 30 videos are there based on that.
Yes,
So
yes. Actually,
which video?
I watched first video all the grammar. One
Grammar.
yes.
I didn't mention anything about the grammar.
You told pronunciation. I also watched pronunciation video also.
But which sound you have watched?
Which sound
कौन से
means
कौन से साउंड की प्रोनाउंसिएशन देखी है आपने? अलग अलग
US.
साउंड की होती है।
Okay, US UK.
हाँ जी।
US UK.
आपने सही में देखा है या नहीं देखा है? मुझे पहले ये बताओ।
Really I watched.
हम्म।
But really I watched
अच्छा
multiple
तो
video.
अच्छा
Yes.
देखा देखा तो कौन से साउंड का देखा है? शाह और सा में डिफरेंस देखा है? कौन से साउंड में डिफरेंस देखा है?
Actually, I think I just not remember anything, but now I just forget everything. But I watched really.
आई फील लाइक दैट यू डिडंट वॉच इट। अगर आपने देखा तो आपको डिफरेंस याद आता आपने कौन से वर्ड देखे। हमेशा वीडियो में 4 या 5 मिनट का वीडियो होगा, वो दो साउंड के बीच में डिफरेंस करता है, शाह और सा में, वी और बी में। डिफरेंट डिफरेंट साउंड्स को उन्होंने बना के रखा है वीडियो प्लेलिस्ट।
Okay, that video I not
हाँ,
did
वही
not
वही तो मैं
search.
पूछ रहा हूँ,
Yes.
प्रोनाउंसिएशन मैंने उसी के लिए रिलेटेड दी थी।
Okay, I will do after class.
फोनेटिक्स। After class, you'll know you don't have to do that. You have to do something else. First of all, make a note. What type of work you do in the office where English is required?
Okay,
What is your current role? What is your current job and all? Regarding English is required. Second, what kind of problems you feel that you're facing? Lastly, your primary learning goal. These three things you have to write it down because you have to
okay,
share it with me whenever you're coming for the next session. Because
okay,
based on that, I will plan the further classes for you with you.
okay,
That is the main thing I planned.
okay, I do.
Okay, so can you read this one?
Scalable, scalable,
Scalable. Scalable.
scalable,
Yes. Right, right. Read it again.
scalable,
Wait.
scalable, scalable,
No, not
scale.
double. Not it's not bulb. It's clay. Scalable. Scalable.
Okay,
Scalable.
scalable,
Now, no,
scale,
join it. Now, join it together. Scalable.
scalable, scalable,
Very
scale,
good.
scalable,
Now it's
scalable.
correct.
Is it
Now it's
right?
correct. Now it's correct.
Scalable,
Now, not
scalable,
scalable. Scalable is incorrect. Scalable.
scalable,
हाँ.
scalable. Actually, I need to
Not
practice
bala. Not bala. It's scalable.
scalable, scalable, scalable.
हाँ जी.
Sometimes right, sometimes wrong. Need to practice more.
Yes, because this is a word where you're making the error.
Yes,
Now, let's go with the next sound.
scalable, scalable.
Architecture. Architecture. Architect.
Ar- Architecture, 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 architecture. Is it right?
Now, no,
Architecture, architecture, architecture,
now that's correct.
architecture,
That's correct.
architecture.
Architecture. Architecture. Architecture.
Okay, architecture, architecture, architecture. Okay, need to practice. I guess you need to improve 100%. I think
Now, let's go with this one. Performance.
performance, 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 performance,
Very good.
performance, performance,
Now, this one.
performance. Client, 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 client,
Client,
cli-
client,
cli-
client.
client, client,
Very
client,
good. Now
client,
this is correct. This
client.
is correct.
Okay,
How
I
you
build
used to say? You used to say
client,
the client. You used to say client, client. But it's
client,
client.
client,
Client.
client,
Hmm.
client, client,
Very good. Yes,
client,
सही है. This one
client.
is correct.
Okay. I think after practice, 100% sure I will be improved.
Definitely. This is the
Okay,
reason I gave you the phonetics.
okay,
Because over there focusing on the sound, how to close the sound, how to open the sound, how the mouth practice will be done. That's the reason I recommended that video and difference between the phonetics of different sounds. I didn't ask you to go for the grammar and all because that we are going to do here in the class itself while we are practicing.
okay. Thank you.
This
Okay,
thing you
client,
didn't.
client.
Yes. Now this one.
Application, 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 application,
Application, application, application.
application, 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 application,
Very good.
application, application,
Now,
application.
now let's try one tongue twister for fluency. For bringing fluency tongue twister. Can you do this? Scalable system support smooth solution.
Okay. Scalable systems support smooth solutions. Scalable systems support smooth solution. Scalable systems support smooth solutions.
Systems.
Scalable systems support smooth solutions. Scalable systems support smooth solutions. Scalable systems support smooth solutions. Scalable,
Support.
okay.
Support.
Scalable systems support smooth solutions.
Smooth. Smooth.
Scalable systems support smooth solutions.
Solutions.
Scalable systems
Solutions.
support smooth solutions. Solutions. Scalable systems support smooth solutions. Scalable systems support smooth solutions.
Ah, yeah, right. Well, this one was right at the ending.
Okay.
Now let's try one mini role play. I'll give you one script. I'll be playing the role of a client,
Okay.
and you'll be playing the role of
Okay.
your.
Last class you shared the client and developer paid out. I didn't need to write only.
I didn't understand you. What you said?
No, last class you shared client and developer payroll.
Huh?
Need to
Huh?
write. Need to write only.
No,
Okay, what do I do?
you don't have to do anything. You have to just copy and paste it in your Word file,
Okay,
just for your own, just for your own reading. And
okay,
in the class, we'll try without that script.
okay. Need to practice. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
After the class, just look at that file and read it once.
okay,
No need to go so deep into that writing.
okay,
Whatever things that need to be right, I will tell you. Whatever thing needs to be not right, I'll not tell you about it.
okay.
Whatever things are important, I will tell you about it. That I already told you in the previous class also. This thing you just have to copy and paste it in your Word file. So you
Okay.
should be also keep all the things whatever we are practicing. Okay, let's start the role play. I'll play in a client role now. Hi Umesh, thanks for joining the call today. I wanted to ask you about the application you're working on. Is it scalable enough to handle growing number of users?
Our application is highly scalable. We have designed it so it can grow as the number of users increases.
That sounds good, but what if the traffic suddenly doubles during the peak hours?
This system can handle increased traffic smoothly. We use
We use cloud.
we use cloud infrastructure so additional servers can be added when needed.
Don't say when needed. The candidate, not like that. Read, the system can handle increased traffic smoothly. We use cloud infrastructure, so additional servers can be added when needed. गो विद द
Okay.
फ्लो जहाँ पर देखो फुल स्टॉप कॉमा दिया वहाँ पर एक साथ जाएगा उसके बाद फिर पॉज लेके फिर आगे बढ़ना है
Okay.
फोकस ऑन दैट फुल स्टॉप एंड कॉमास
The system can handle increased traffic smoothly. We use cloud infrastructure so additional servers can
infrastructure
be
infrastructure
infrastructure so additional servers can be added when needed.
can be added when needed.
Can be added when needed. Can be added when needed.
एक फ्लो बैठना चाहिए फिर से लेट्स स्टार्ट अगेन फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग
This
हाय उमेश
system,
थैंक्स फॉर
okay,
जॉइनिंग Hi Umesh, thanks for joining the call today. I wanted to ask about the application you're working on. Is it scalable enough to handle growing number of users?
yes, our application is highly scalable. We have designed it so it can grow as the number of users increases.
Okay, that sounds good. But if the traffic suddenly doubles during peak hours,
The system can handle increased traffic smoothly. We use cloud infrastructure so additional servers can be added when needed.
okay, excellent. And what steps have you taken to make sure the backend performs well under pressure?
We have optimized the backend for high performance by improving database storage and using caching.
Okay, so now I'll give you the homework. Just
Okay.
allow me a second. This is the homework. So today you have learned four professional phrases, practice pronunciation, and explained your system in a client call roleplay. That's exactly how you will confidently do in the real meetings.
Okay.
Now, homework record 1 minute audio. How does your application handle scalability
Okay.
and performance? Listen and note how many times you say okay, okay, or practice using alternative word like all right, got
All
it,
right.
absolutely.
Okay. All
So,
right.
this is your task. This thing you have to practice as a homework.
All right.
But वो जो तीन homework दिए थे that will be same remain. I want by the next session whenever you join, first
Tomorrow.
what kind of work you do, a proper list of it, not in the copy you have to write, in the chat box or somewhere in the word file, so that you can paste it in the similar way I'm pasting it. What type of work you do, wherever the English is required. All the details about it. Total 5, 10, 20, whatever you work you do. Second, what problems you feel that you're facing about it. Third, your primary learning goal. These three things I want you to write by the next session I want. And do this homework. If you get time, then search for the exact phonetics videos about the sounds.
All right.
Okay, so you can copy and
Got it.
paste this one. These are
Got
the
it.
things, Ramesh, because based on that, whatever file you will give me, I'll prepare you for the notes. You can copy and save this one. Let's catch you for the next session. Thanks for joining.
Okay. Thank you.